Lemon tart is an all-time classic dessert, and I've got a fresh twist for you. This no-bake dairy-free version is great for entertaining, and the blueberries give even more flavour and freshness. To make the smooth and creamy filling without any dairy products, you need to use cashews. Place them in a large bowl and pour over enough boiling water to cover. And we stand them for 4 hours, just so they can go nice and soft. For the base, you need to grease and line a 24cm fluted tart tin. It's best to use one with a removable base. So just grease it with some oil spray. I'm also lining the base with a disc of baking paper. This stops the base of the tart from sticking to the tin. To make the tart crust, process almonds, pistachios, some shredded coconut, and just a pinch of salt. The salt helps bring the flavour of the nuts out. And you just want to process them until they're finely crushed. And now add the fresh dates. These are going to be the sticky part that's going to hold the crust together. Pinch with your fingers like this, and that's what you want. Spoon the mixture into the tin and use the back of a spoon to push it evenly over the base and sides. Place the tin on a baking tray and pop it in the freezer to set. Now the cashews are soft, drain them and place them in a blender. Then we're going to add some coconut cream, lemon rind, lemon juice, and our sweetness is going to be the maple syrup. And you just want to blend that until it's very smooth. Now for the secret ingredient, a pinch of turmeric. This is going to add a natural light yellow colour to the filling. Let's get the tart case out of the freezer. Now I'm going to pour the filling into the tart case. And then just give it a gentle tap, just to get rid of any air pockets. And then just pop it in the freezer for about 2 hours to firm the filling. Now to make the candied lemon slices to decorate the tart, I've lined a baking tray with baking paper. Add some lemon slices into the pan. Add sugar, and then your water. Turn the heat to medium and bring the mixture up to a simmer. Turn the slices occasionally and keep an eye on the syrup. You don't want it to boil, as the lemon slices will break down and they'll lose their shape. After about 20 minutes, the lemon rind should be translucent. Carefully transfer it to the lined tray. Turn the heat up to medium-high and boil the liquid for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can see how it's thickened up and it's a syrup consistency. Just set it aside and let it cool completely. To serve up, take the tart out of the freezer and carefully pop it out of the tin onto a serving plate. Decorate it with candied lemon, blueberries, and some thyme. All that's left to do is drizzle with lemon syrup. This beautiful lemon and blueberry vegan tart is a refreshing twist on the traditional citrus dessert. For more desserts to impress, head to our Showstopper dessert playlist here.